It's been a while. Hi everybody, my name's Rogan. Welcome back. Today I want to discuss something that I've seen in the deaf YouTubers community. Maybe it's just something me, or I just feel like it's something that I need to say and to see if it's only me. But I want to be clear that it's not the YouTubers' fault or the viewers. Also, that's not something that I deeply care about. It's just a little disappointing to see. And it has to do with subscriber count. I have a few deaf YouTubers that I follow, and I want to see what their count is to see if they're growing or if they're just staying. And then I've just seen that, and of course I want everyone to grow, yes, group, but the people with the voice that's mixed with sign compared to those with only sign and no voice or sound. They have the ones with the voice and sound, they're just growing a lot faster than the other ones. I can't say exactly why. I just have a guess. I'm just thinking that it has to do with its inherent, meaning that the inherent bias is, that they prefer to watch the videos in their native language. And a lot of times people don't, when they see the sign, they don't think they're going to understand, and they don't think that there might be captioning. So, and you have to understand that we are more accommodating to them, vice versa. So and mine are set to automatically have the caption on. But more thing, who speak, it's easier for them. Not they don't understand. But anyways, maybe I'm making this up. What do you think? Can let me know what you think, and just comment below. It's just been bothering me for a while. But I plan on uploading a new video soon. If you want to support me in my social networks, you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. See you later.